Greetings, it's Daniel Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com. I'm really excited today to tell you about some of the holiday specials that are going on my site on naturalmattressfinder.com. The deals are going on right now on natural latex mattresses, and all the deals are ending January 7th, 2019. So some of them are ending in the days going up to the holidays, and just a few are extended until January 7th, 2019. So if you want to find out which ones are going on until that time, or if you want to get in on some of these other deals right away, go to my homepage. That's naturalmattressfinder.com, and it's right there on the homepage. There's no opt-in required. You'll see this comparison chart where you can compare mattresses by thickness. Just by clicking on this thickness tab here, you'll get thinnest to thickest, or vice versa, and you can also filter by mattress type. If you're looking for a hybrid mattress, that's a mattress with spring coils in as the base layer, or if you're looking for a latex core mattress, you get all the latex core organized like that. Typically, the latex core mattresses are mattresses that are customizable, meaning that you can open up the top and rearrange the layers in some cases. So some of the deals that are going on here, you'll see the 2018 holiday deals are the Brentwood Home Cedar mattress, which goes all the way until January 7th, 2019, $175 off. And the plush beds is really an excellent deal. Using the code PLUSH2018, you get a $400 value of sheets, organic mattress protector, and pillows with your order. So this is a really reasonable price and a super excellent bonus with that. So with that being said, I just don't want to make this video too long. Just wanted to point you over to the holiday specials that are all available in one place. And I'd like to add that all the mattresses on this comparison chart here are the real deal. You won't find any mattresses that are just maybe a 1-inch layer of latex followed by a bunch of polyurethane foam. These are all 100% latex mattresses, and you won't waste your time looking at mattresses that are like half and half, because there's a lot of false marketing going on in the latex mattress industry where you'll either get a blended natural latex with synthetic latex, and in that case the natural latex will be less than 5% of the actual ingredients in that latex. So there's a lot of false marketing going on, but if you want to get all the completely natural latex manufacturers in one place, head over to naturalmattressfinder.com and get in on some of these great holiday 2018 and early 2019 deals. My name is Daniel Boudreau. Thanks for checking out this video. I'll see you on naturalmattressfinder.com. Take care. Have a fantastic day.